Hi, my name is Maya. I'm your friend. Today we'll talk about the resin jewelry business, which is trending in the market these days, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. If you love creative things, did you know you can earn money from home by making beautiful resin jewelry, even if you are a beginner? Resin. In simple words, it's a chemical basically divided into two proportions. One is in a watery form, known as hardener, while to make any items from resin, you need a resin kit. The kit includes many necessary things inside it. The resin kit will include different types of molds like alphabet mold, pendant mold, coaster mold. There are some paper cups, some wooden ice cream sticks, gloves, etc. And if you want, you may order extra molds also as per your needs, like wall clock mold, pen mold, bangle mold, etc. Now how to make it. First of all, wear a mask, then pour the two liquids, hardener and resin, into a paper cup as per your requirement. After mixing resin, add color in the mixture and pour it in the molds. Then add glitters, gold flakes, dried flowers, pearls, etc. Customize it. Resin jewelry includes earrings, pendants, rings, keychains, and bracelets. Made using epoxy resin, molds, pigments, flowers, glitter.
The best part of this business, you don't need any degree or experience. Even absolute beginners can start. And income can be unimaginable depending upon your creativity.
Some try to make resin jewelry with UV resin, which dries quickly with UV lamp or room temperature curing space.
Your initial investment will be around 1,500 to 3,000 rupees only. Beginner practicing jewelry, failed pieces can be taken as improvement.
Mold kept aside with timer. Let it cure for 12-24 hours. Don't touch it in between. Step 5. Demold and finish. Removing jewelry from mold, polishing edges is also important. Once hardened, gently remove it. Polish the edges and attach hooks or chains. Where to sell your resin art? You may sell it on Instagram page, WhatsApp orders, Etsy listings. You can sell resin jewelry online. Resin jewelry sell fast on WhatsApp Business, Etsy, Meesho, Amazon. Customized jewelry like name pendants sell the fastest. You can also sell it offline at local exhibitions, flea markets, gift shops, start runs, family, and word of mouth. If you want to know in detail, there are thousands of videos related to this business. Some give online training you can join to learn. Here are some important tips. Focus on finishing quality, take aesthetic photos and videos, follow jewelry trends, be patient and consistent. Happy creator packing orders. Resin jewelry is not just art, it's a business. If you start today, stay consistent and believe in your creativity.
If you start today, stay consistent, and believe in your creativity, you can turn your hobby into income.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more earning ideas.